So as far as the mock scrape, last year I had a couple spots where I wanted to put mock scrapes, but I couldn't get a good tree. I couldn't get a good limb. I couldn't get a good branch where I wanted it. So I got a little bit picky about where I wanted them because I'm trying to draw bucks into shooting areas around my blinds. And so I found this company actually in Michigan. Michigan Outdoors did I think a segment on these guys. And so it's really, what I like about it is it's simple. You can go throw a T-post in. T-posts are $4 or $5 a piece. I got a pole driver, put it wherever I want it. And then with a wrench, you just wrench this thing on, go find a branch and put it in. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, but it works really well for me. I like it. I'm probably going to switch this out. This is the branch that was there last fall. You know, it's a white oak. White oak hold on to their leaves. That's why the leaves weren't falling off of this yet. But I'll put a fresh branch on there probably pretty quick here, and we'll be ready for this year.